Hey, trailblazers! Are you ready to embark on a thrilling journey of self-employment in 2024? Say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to the freedom of being your own boss. Today, we'll walk you through the ultimate guide to working for yourself. Imagine designing your days, choosing projects that spark joy, and having control over your income. Sounds like a dream, right? Let's dive into how you can make it your reality. Firstly, you need a solid business plan. Ask yourself what you're great at and let your passion lead the way. Whether it's crafting, blogging, or tech, your skills are your ticket to freedom. Be sure to value your services right. Understanding your worth is paramount. Got a name in mind for your brand? It's more than just a label, it gives your business an identity. Choose something unique that resonates with you and your mission. Next, analyze the market. Know your competitors, your audience, and carve out a niche. This not only gives you direction but also helps construct a killer persona for your business. With your plan and market research in hand, focus on the nitty-gritty. From financing options to business structures, it's all about making informed decisions. Consider starting with your own funds to avoid the early loan repayment headaches. And once you're rolling, keep adapting. Trends change and so should your strategies. Stay ahead to ensure your brand thrives in the competitive market. Now, let's talk perks. As a self-employed maestro, you get unmatched freedom, set your hours, pick your team, and balance work life on your terms. Plus, you're in the driver's seat for decision-making. Want to pivot? Go right ahead, it's your empire to run. The cherry on top? There's no cap on your earnings. With the right moves, you might just outshine the income from your past job, gaining not only financial gain but priceless fulfillment. Remember, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, and transitioning to self-employment demands courage and commitment. Equip yourself with patience and perseverance, and you're set to carve out a rewarding path for yourself. Feeling pumped to start this voyage? Get the full scoop by checking out our blog at BizStack for detailed insights, tips, and tricks to fuel your journey to self-employment. While you're here, why not hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more empowering content? Share your thoughts and plans in the comments below. We love hearing from future business leaders like you. Before you go, elevate your entrepreneurial spirit by exploring our recommended books and products to support your new venture. Trust us, your future self will thank you. Embark, embrace, and enjoy the journey, self-starters. Catch you on the flip side of freedom.